after aini makoro magithi haria State House, specifically aini Mount Kenya, ntukoretwo tukiona maundu maingi muno maki happen. Recently turonire Karangũ wa Muraya akionio uria tari ona kuria Murang'a. We saw videos haria akiingatwo ni andu akirwo one time na maundu macio mothe, and this has brought a lot of tension among artists na muno muno aria marathiite kuria State House na aria makoretwo me allied to the government. Nituonete aini amwe aria thabari no ya aini gukorwo makinyitanira na thirikari riria yanjiria haria Karen kwa Deputy President Kithure Kindiki, amwe ao makiyeheria. We have seen the likes of Samido. Samido ari kou na before even that night exactly ni akoretwo agikira post ya kuga muturire wake wi hatika-ini, and people made predictions that it was because of uria arakiuga one term na muthenya ucio akiuga two term, and things went haywire for him to a point that akigaruruka na akiuga one term na thaa ici one term ta bomb kuria UK na US agika mugithi, and ginya akihurwo transfer na thaa ici ginya ni mufute just because of saying one term. Mudogi tutakoretwo tukimuona thaa ici micemano-ini iyo ni Jose Gatutura. Jose Gatutura is one of the very respected, very rare mugithi artist, donekaga kundu guothe. Yani Jose Gatutura ni aini aria ni cerebu hari macerebu aini a mugithi, ni kama Nyashinski wa industry ya Kikuyu, donekaga na riria maybe aronire uria ground iri. We have not seen Jose Gatutura in those meetings again. Kana arari kuria State House, alikuwa pale hivyo State House. I didn't see Jose Gatutura, itamuonire haria. Another msanii uria thaa ici maybe it is expected ni gukorwo akiruta maundu-ini macio ni maybe Karangũ wa Muraya. We are yet to confirm this, but Karangũ wa Muraya it is expected that ni gukorwo akiruta because kaundu karia aronire ira na muthenya wa 12th of June ndanakorwo akiandika anything. Thursday aliamka asubuhi high early risers na hwaini andika. It was a day of reflecting about life yake, and maybe we are expecting maybe an update from him todo reu ni iguthaine muno, especially considering the fact that Karangũ wa Muraya works a lot with brands, and that was a big blow. Brand ikiona brand ambassador ya main akihurwo ni mafans mafans aria matumite aheo wira ni kambuni iyo, then it becomes a big problem. Koguo we are yet to confirm this, but it is expected Karangũ wa Muraya ni kwiruta maundu-ini ma siasa, and I honestly don't think it is worth it for Karangũ wa Muraya to associate himself with such things. Karangũ ni mutongu twakirwo ni mutongu, dafati gukorwo akijimix na maundu macio. But anyway, we love what he does, we love his music, but no, the problem comes when you associate yourself with politics. Koguo agitiga maundu macio mothe, things gonna be alright. It is yet to be confirmed. Mundu ucio ungi ni Ben Githae. Ben Githae akoretwo siasa-ini kuma I think 2013 riria arutire rwimbo rwa Uhuru na Ruto nigetha maingire president 2013, akiruta Uhuru Ruto tano tena, agicoka akiruta rwa Ruto na riu thaa ici ni arathiite kuria Karen na arakorwo akiruta rwimbo rwa Kindiki, and the msanii faced a very big backlash. Akirwa riu ye ndio the undecided person kwa wasanii wa Kikuyu tondu akoragwo kila hard, and that made him go to a self reflection mode onake, na aroka na story na aratwira ati ni mamu wao ni aramukire kiroto-ini na aramuhe Bible na aramwira athie akahunjie injiri atigane na maundu maingi. Interesting scenes. Demukenu uria drona riu aini ni mara respond to the pressure. The pressure is getting worse. Do ibera-ini maraugaga icio ni mucene wa online no megukira nikene ria online ritinaga wiki no megukira bora nturie mbeca. Riu ni maronire mundu no athi go perform ahurwo mahiga, mundu no athi handu agiciritie urathi gwika wega, ukore wega ucio urathi gwika na ndurendekana. Iyo uzuri yako itakikani hapo. It becomes very bad. How ukamenya riu ni wa lose touch na mafans aku. So we expecting mo wasaniz makorwo makiruta uhoro-ini ucio na Kindiki ni afati gukorwo riu agietha plan ingi maybe mena Ngaria Junior niwe riu ndirona riu niwe wikitio muhuko riu wega fiu ucio riu niwe utangiuma ni mafati gukorwo riu makietha plan ingi tondu I'm expecting more artists mekorwo makiuma na akorwo matikuma then we are in for another show, for another episode of drama za wasanii wa Mount Kenya na serikali na maundu macio mothe. But anyway, we'll keep you guys updated. No, I honestly don't think it is worth it. I nigo kora makejihusisha na thirikari at such a time when there is all this going on. Ndiye maoni mako megi uhoro. You can comment down there and tell us what you think about that story.
So non declaration. Ati munasemaje? YouTube.